Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to change your Stash account password. If you don't have a Stash account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get $20 of bonus stock after depositing cash. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see a profile icon at the top right side of the screen. Click on the profile. On this page, you will see several options on the left side menu. Click on the option that says Email, Phone and Security. On this page, you will see a section from which you can change your password. On the first field, enter your old password. Then enter the new password you wish to use on the second field. Re-enter it again to confirm. After that, click on the Change Password button. That's how you change your Stash account password. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.